Saturday now. Turn off the music. They reopened Texas yesterday. All stores at like 25% capacity. Don't know how well that's gonna work out yet. I guess we'll see. Obviously, it's exposing a lot more people to this virus, but who knows? So I found this cool little spot. It's like an abandoned gas station. So I'm gonna get some shots of the car with the new hood on it. I had to go behind this wall. I just recorded this whole thing, but there was a bunch of wind noise. So I'm gonna use this spot for now. I think, I mean, I like it. It's a good spot. I can get some cool shots here. Other than that, I think later on tonight we're gonna be going to like a meet or something, so we're gonna see what's up. Maybe see some racing, who knows, but just cool stuff. Come on. There you go. What's going on, everybody? Today, we're installing the hood pins on the Tiger Racing hood. I've got to go get hardware for it. I was going to see how long I could hold off on it, but honestly, I don't want to be that guy driving around with fake hood pins on there, and I really don't have a choice. I can't take them out because they came on the car. I was told that without the hood pins that the hood would kind of wobble at speed, but I put the little bumpers in that you're supposed to put in any hood, and it works fine. So I don't know where the issue came from, but anyways, I'm gonna install the hood pins. You have to take off headlights, bumper, etc. I'm gonna try and get around that because I really don't feel like pulling the bumper and all that off. Jeez, just slam on your brakes in front of me. Texas drivers are horrible, by the way. These people are absolute idiots. What? Bro, this person was sitting in the, like, he slammed on his brakes and it was sitting in the middle of the intersection, like, just not, there was nobody in front of him, nobody anywhere. They were just sitting in the middle of the intersection. It doesn't make any, I'm telling you, it doesn't make any sense. But anyways, we're back. The camera flew off. I caught it, but the camera flew off because I accelerated a little bit, and it's not really on a stable surface, it's just on a dash. But yeah, I'll update y'all once we're gonna probably go to like Home Depot or something, see if we can find some hardware. But yeah, I'll keep y'all updated. All right, so I've decided that I'm going to put the splitter that I have back on. So I have this Laguna Seca Boss 302 splitter for the car. The reason I took it off is because I kept having this issue with it actually coming detached from the bottom of the bumper. You can see here, it's kind of loose now, so I need to pull it off anyway. And I had to pull it off to do the hood pins. So I'm gonna pull off all of the headlight, bumper, all that good stuff to be able to get to the actual bumper. And I'm gonna try to get new hardware and everything for the splitter, so hopefully it's more secure. Don't have to worry about it coming off. Got the bumper and headlights off. I forgot how hard getting the brake cooling ducts off was. And getting them on, I know, is even harder. So, yeah, that's gonna be fun to get back on. But anyways, I got a little sweaty because it's hot. It's Texas. It's probably like 95 degrees right now. But we're gonna make it happen. Got the bumper over there, headlights right there, which these things are pretty massive, honestly, for what they are. When you pull them out of the car, they look a lot bigger than what you think on the car. But anyways, I'm gonna start getting to work on all this stuff, looking at what hardware I need to get, etc. I'll just get an update once we get that going. All right, so I got the hood pins installed. They're right there. They're right there. They slide right through. Pretty simple install. Once you get everything else done, it's just a little bit of measuring, just to kind of get them at the right height and everything. There's a double nut there, and then a nut at the bottom that keep it all together. You can kind of adjust the height and do that accordingly. This side is a little tight, and the last owner did say that the hood did kind of sit a little bit lower on this side, so I'm not too worried about it. The car's not really like a show car, it's just supposed to be a fun little street car. So alrighty, so like I said, I got the hood pins on. I was adjusting my front lip, so I've got the Boss 302 front lip, and noticed that some of these clips over here were actually broken. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go get some self-tappers and actually run them through right here, just some small ones, just to kind of secure it, because if I don't, then we will run into issues with the real splitter actually coming off. And I had this issue before, which is why I took the splitter off to begin with. This side right here, you can see it has some damage. See it right there? So that damage is from the splitter falling off at excessive speed. But obviously with the downforce it's producing, it's gonna happen. So I'm gonna get some stuff to kind of secure it. Then I'll probably put the splitter on and then we'll be good to go. Okay, low key. Why does this kind of look tough? This actually looks mean as hell, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I would be a ricer and drive it to go get the hardware, but I don't know how well all of that stuff is gonna hang on, so I'm not even gonna risk it. We're almost done. I got the splitter installed, got the hood pins installed. I just need to install the rods, the tow hook, and I'm done. Drop her down. Well, after hours of work, finally got everything installed. I just finished up wiping down the car as well, so it's kind of clean now, but we got the splitter. Whoop. Tow hooks back on. Y'all know what those are. Not a huge fan of them, but since they're on the hood, there's not really a way for me to take them off. But yeah, that's that.